How to fix sign out Apple ID grid out in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open your settings. In settings, click on your Apple account and scroll down in last, and here you can see the sign out option is grid out. And if you want to fix this problem, then simply go back and scroll down and click on screen time, and here you can see the option change screen time passcode. Now click on it and then click on turn off screen time passcode. After turn off your screen time passcode, then go back and click on Apple account, and here you can see sign out option will not grid out. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.